This is William Lee with A Plus Home Experts. Today we're going to talk about weather stripping around your doors.
Three, two, one.
Weather stripping around your door is really important, and it's a real easy fix, and it's a very low cost fix. So what we're talking about is not your regular doors in the house. We're not talking like your bathroom door, your closet doors. We're talking the doors you would use in an emergency to get out of your house. And those are typically called your egress doors. For example, your front door, garage door, back door. All these doors have a seal that keep the weather on the outside of the house and keep your conditioned air on the inside of the house. So it prevents air movement between the inside and outside. Now, the weather stripping can go bad. There's several things that can cause it to go bad. Initially, it's just time. It can go bad over time. The main thing we see are pets. Pets scratch on the door. They end up damaging the weather stripping around the door. You don't need a lot of tools to do this project. It's very simple to do. Right, Oreo? What you'll need is a pair of pliers to pull out the old weather stripping. Sometimes it's in there really hard. The second one is, as you push the new weather stripping back into place on the track, it's difficult to push it in. So I find putting a piece of wood and kind of lightly tapping it with a hammer helps push it into that track as you go around the door. Now you'll just put these on, you'll measure them to fit, and you'll go up again both sides across the top, and that's it. Now sometimes your door will be more difficult to close when you first put this on, but after a few days, once that material has time to compress and fit around your door, the door will get easier and easier over time to open and close. But this is an easy way to update that seal around the door. It saves you money because now you don't have air leaking between the inside and outside of the house, and it keeps everybody inside the house more comfortable.